Hi, I'm Shayna from YumiYarns.com, and I design knit and crochet patterns that help makers feel confident, creative, and connected to their craft. Whether you're here for cozy treasures, clever techniques, or our seasonal make-alongs, I'm glad you're joining me. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 tips for mastering mosaic knitting, a beautiful beginner-friendly colorwork technique that looks impressively intricate, but is surprisingly simple. If you've ever wanted to try color work without the fuss of managing 2 colors at once, this is for you. Let's get started. Tip number 1, use only one color at a time. You'll only ever use one color at a time in mosaic knitting. No carrying floats, no yarn tangles, just simple, smooth rows. When you switch colors, leave the unused yarn at the edge. You'll pick it up again when it's needed. Tip 2. Slip all stitches as if to purl, and always hold the yarn to the wrong side of your work. This helps keep your stitches from twisting and makes your color pattern really pop. Tip 3. Don't strangle your yarn. Many stitches are slipped over multiple rows, and if your tension's too tight, your fabric can curl or pucker. Aim for a light, even tension, just enough to keep things tidy without pulling. Tip 4. Swatch if you're not sure about your colors. Some yarns that seem high contrast in the skein can blend too much when knit together. Working a small test swatch can save a lot of heartache and help you find some combos you really love. Tip 5. If you've set your project down and can't remember which color comes next, here's a trick. Just look at the last stitch you actually knit. Your next right side row will begin with the opposite color. And that's it. 5 simple tips to help you feel more confident with your mosaic knitting. If you're making the Springtime Sips knit mug rug as part of our make-along, I hope these tips help bring your butterfly motif to life. And if you crochet, I've got something special for you starting today. The Springtime Wings Cal crochet along is live on Patreon and Ravelry and YumiYarns.com. It's a beautiful inset mosaic crochet square featuring the same butterfly design, perfect for mixing and matching with your knit pieces to coordinate your living room or craft room. I hope you come and join us today and have fun making with everyone else in the group. Next week, I'm going to walk you through how to do inset mosaic crochet so you can jump right into the Springtime Wings with confidence. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss the next video. Thanks so much for watching and happy stitching!